Welcome back. This episode we are going to show you what we are packing for Tongariro crossing that we are doing tomorrow.
So everything here is vegan.
We'll start with breakfast in our Glad Wrap bags here. We've got oats, we've got some tropical muesli. I've also got some cinnamon in there and also some flaxseed, ground flaxseed. All the goodies we'll need to start the day.
Lunch!
Do that again. Wow, look at the camera.
Lunch!
Now do it again without me speaking.
Lunch! 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 We've got these sandwiches. We got some everything butter by Fix and Bob. So that is hemp, almond, peanut, pumpkin, chia, sesame, sunflower, flaxseed, more vitamins so that we have energy. Make sure we get our protein, all that, so we can continue hiking. And then I've got some plum jam, which is actually homemade, that I got from a house sit that we were staying at. Thanks, Claire, if you're watching. It's not really a thing to mix peanut butter and jam here, I guess. So Jack is having...
Just going with the classic peanut butter only. So next I'll show you our snacks that we're taking. So we've got these sort of bliss ball protein balls, different flavours that we can snack on. Next we just have bananas. We got one per day for both me and Joe. We've got some apples, again 6 of those. Some mandarins, some nut bars, some good protein and seeds and nuts in it. Pitted prunes, these are Joe's little treats. And last we're taking some hummus and some pita. The hummus is just what we've got left over. We usually have in our van, so we've just got a little bit left, so we'll eat that on the first day. And the pita will also go with dinner, which Joe will show you next.
Dinner. We've got 6 of these packets. What they are is just Chana Masala, so it's chickpeas with Indian spices. Very simple, easy to make. You just chuck the pouch in boiling water and then it's good to go. So we just want to do what was easy as possible. And these were about $4 each, which is half the price of a freeze-dried meal, which is great.
Yeah, and it's good. They only take about 3 to 5 minutes to cook when you put it in the boiling water. And seeing as we're sort of trying to not take as much, we're only going to need 1 pot, and there's water up there that we can use. So, I guess try and pack as light as we can as well.
So instead of having coffee for breakfast or tea or anything like that, I decided to get these tablets. There's 20 of them in the package, so it'll go a long way, and they have some caffeine in them. But it's easier because you don't have to boil water to make it. You can just drop a tab in some water and it'll dissolve, and then you can drink it just for a little bit of extra boost. And it also has other vitamins in there too. If you're interested, if you have tips on what's fast and easy to make that's vegan, please let us know in the comments. We did struggle a little bit trying to come up with what to make.
So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you for part 2 where we hike Tongariro crossing and take you on the ride. See you there.